The brush fire risk continues this week with windy and dry weather only making things worse. 22 News reporter Jack Wu is live in studio with the common causes of these fires and what fire officials are asking you to do to avoid a spark.
Nick, over 80% of these brush fires are caused by people, and while the weather may be beautiful outside, it's important to keep the environment in mind. Elevated brush fire risk continues for all of southern New England as drought conditions are still moderate for many areas. While intermittent rainfall was apparent in April, it didn't provide much relief. 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Chris Bazakis explains why we need more rain to make a dent in the drought.
When it comes to the drought that we have right now, it is getting better, but you need a really good soaking rain to have any big impacts on the drought. I mean, little showers and sprinkles are of course good, but they're not going to really add up to much.
Dry, windy days like today may feel nice outside, but they increase our brush fire risk, especially with all this dry vegetation. Massachusetts saw record brush fires towards the end of 2024. That trend seems to be holding true through the first 4 months of this year. Lieutenant Tony Spear with the West Springfield Fire Department told 22 News it's the little things we do that keep these fires active.
Normally these brush fires, even the ones in the woods, start from smaller activities that people are oftentimes doing in their yards, maybe clearing out some brush, or if there's a fire pit that's in the yard, any of those embers blow off into an area where there's more dried up vegetation, then you're going to have a problem with that.
Lieutenant Spear also told us that they've been responding to fires since Easter, both in West Springfield and neighboring communities.